I came in to do the gift card deal for my family, and I end up working. Although I'm working and Candle Day, I work all weekend. We do have the privilege of kind of pulling some of them that we want, so I'm doing that. But I had to go to the offsite location, girl. I'm back here sweating, all that and all that. And I said I wasn't coming back to work tonight, but I am.
Santa, please, won't you please bring my baby back? I know I messed up, I wonder if she take me back, so I could buy her that brand new Mercedes black. Under the Christmas tree, I'm missing you, love. I hope you're missing me. The thing you don't know, me and you were meant to be. Under the mistletoe is where you gonna be kissing me.
It's no secret that Bath and Body, bitch, we were hard, okay? Like, this is even harder than Victoria's Secret. If you don't know, L Brands is Bath and Body Works Victoria's Secret. It's a sister store, and y'all know me for being a pink girl for years, but now I work at Bath and Body because my Victoria's Secret closed down. We were one of the ones that didn't make it after Miss Rona, right? So not only that, we have the pleasure of getting an additional 10% off gift cards for our friends and family as a thank you during the holiday season. So I'm off today. I'm going to swing by the store and do that. Today was a good day for our sales and orders. We got to go to the post office. Then I'm going to come back home and clean with me. I was supposed to be cooking beef stew since yesterday. Didn't do it yesterday. If I'm going to do it today, probably do it tomorrow. Who knows? But y'all just vibe with me. So under my table here, y'all, don't laugh. That's my little packing and shipping center. Y'all see my fragile stickers and everything right there. Some diapers. A friend of mine had twins. And then all inventory over here. So I sit right here, I grab, I pack, and by the time y'all see this, of course the 40% off sale will be over. I didn't put up a big tree this year, y'all, but here's gonna be the issue with Candle Day coming at Bath and Body Works. I have a new shelf from Wayfair that goes here, and my candle collection right now is insane. I don't know why it ain't focused, but it's insane right now. So let's walk over here. Under the TV stand, those rows go back 3 deep. And then I call myself separate and fall right here like, hey, burn and use from this pile. And then I got winter stacked up on the outside like burn and use from this pile, but hell, it's already December, so I guess I ain't get to the fall. But again, these go back 3 deep. Then I have another set over here that goes back up under my little bench here. Now, what am I Tootsie rolling out with Candle Day? It's looking like I'm going to get about 70. But where are they going to go at this point? Now, it's December. When I pack up to move, I don't think the candle is going to be hard like some people say. I'm going to put them in the crate by the 6-pack and then saran wrap the crate. I'm going to have to get like bulk saran wrap from Sam's Club, but I'm down for that. So as a candle vlogger, reviewer, candle lover, you're just going to end up with a lot of them. And y'all know Bath and Body once a year, like that's how the sale runs. Some people save their money all year for it. Like me, I buy throughout the year little by little, but I save for it as well. So let's hit the door. Oh, we need our energy. We need our fuel. Y'all look at my face. Y'all can tell I had gastric surgery, right? This seasonal pecan praline coffee from Community Coffee has been made, and I only see it like around Thanksgiving time, so I get a couple of boxes. I'm gonna brew 4 ounces of that in my cup, and then we're gonna put a protein shake over into that. When I'm on the move and on the go, cheese cubes, sliced turkey, stuff like that, I have to keep on me. I'm learning this go around. Getting your protein in is important, y'all.
They call me Rudolph, I got a red nose. Hop in the back, take you anywhere the sled go. I asked her for 1 wish, she said snow. It's time to let her know. Merry Christmas to you.
Let's just keep it all the way funky and transfer cup to a cup that got some ice in it. Make it make sense to me, go. Now I do need me a tumbler where no straw. Understand all doctors are different, but my gastric doctor advised against the straw, so I don't drink with a straw. Sometimes I go by Starbucks for a cup of ice, because you know they got these cups with no lid, and then just keep that for the next day. But let's get to the post office. I told y'all today was a good day, being blessed. grab my to-go hand sanitizer. Let's do this. Okay, candle did come in. I don't ever get Bath and Body Works coupon, but baby, I get some online and I beg, okay? Okay, I reach out to everybody who I follow, they follow me. If y'all not gonna use, please send. If I want to do 15 transactions, I need 15 sets of coupons, and I think these 4 will give me 10 so far. Now, walking out the house, didn't I just explain what I want to do for the day? Bath and Body, we work hard this time of year, etc., etc. I got called to come in. And I want to be a team player, but y'all, I have stuff I need to do. I stick to a strict cleaning schedule. Cook dinner and have that for the next couple of days because we're going to be so busy. I can just heat it up and bring it with me. Effective weight loss, eating out ain't going to cut it. I don't know how many times I've just stopped through a drive-thru for a burger, no bun, but that gets old. I want to help them out, but I got things I got to do today. Hell, I was so tired yesterday, I missed the whole doctor appointment. You have to remember to take care of you first, y'all. I'm sorry. Just know patience of a virtue. Let me tell y'all something. This one Starbucks, just this one, because we only got one on this side of town besides going down by the Target. They be so busy that their drive-thru is only open from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. And it's like, it's always new people. I mean, it is just like a process that you have to process. You have to pack a lunch to get a drink. So in most cases, that's why I just make my own. So I just came here for a venti cup of ice. You know, the one I tell you I with no straw. And then an extra cup. Honey, I think the door closed for the inside. So now you got to use drive-through. But then after 3, you have to go inside. Child, it's a mess. America. Capitalism is what makes the world go round. Y'all never thought about the markup on food when you go to restaurants and it's like, oh, you're paying for the labor, and it's like, are we really? Because Starbucks, that little slice of that lemon loaf cake that you got, I had it, I don't really care for it. I got it one day and it was cold, and the girl was like, we probably forgot, we didn't take it out in enough time. So it had me thinking, yeah, we really paying for heat and eat food. It wasn't even a fresh slice of cake. I was like, maybe because I bake a lot, I didn't like it, but $3.25 for that little slice, never again. Y'all know I'm cheap anyway, so I'm just being biased.
Cause all I really want for Christmas is you. Yeah. You're all I really want for Christmas, baby. Meet me under the mistletoe.
Good morning, y'all. Good morning. I look a mess. So, in conclusion, what happened, y'all? I was working in the back of the store because I wasn't in uniform.